Well, here's the situation. When we go to set this oven, which is a Whirlpool, and the model number is right there. I found that the igniter switch, that's the replacement, which is located under here. You'll notice that glow. The glow says it's working, but it's not getting to a temperature enough to ignite the oven. So that switch needs to be replaced. There's like a certain number of amperage. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It will work, it'll turn on, and then midway it'll turn off. So a lot of our dishes have been interrupted by the oven went off again. This has been going on for about a year, and we're finally gonna spend $20 to replace this to solve the issue. All right, here we go. Okay, unplugging. And then there's 3 screws we're gonna take out. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna get this wire and disconnect it from here and feed it through. Okay, those are gone. Now I lift this back. Are there 4? There might be 4. Yeah. Oh, let's just pull that back and undo this. Because this new one's gonna go right there. I had to put this right here and pull this apart. Now that's apart like that. And feed it through there. The oven opening, I'm gonna take this out. I needed both hands. Pry this out. There that is right there. This is what I'm going to replace. In order to take this screw out. Now, that screw, loosened, you take this out. Okay, I got that out. Next, we're going to have to unscrew that. I've got this 5/16. I'm gonna take that off. All right, the new one is on.
You know how this
Old one is off. And look at the wires. That right there, maybe there was a short.
Oh my.
Okay. Send that back. Back together. Back in there. And this is gonna sit down right back there. Get that going again. Okay, that came through here. I'm going to connect this to there and replace those screws. Okay. Screwing this back in. Pick this up. All right. Reset this clock. That was less than an hour.